Hello student, I am Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, Vasantronic Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada. Dear friends, we have the discussion of the particular topics. We already discussed the zoology, SYBSC zoology, paper first Zoo 401, that is genetics. या कोर्स मध्ये आपण स्टडी करत असताना विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, टोटली in this course Zoo 401 genetics, which are included by the 5 units. Out of these 5 units of the subtopics will be completed of this syllabus in Zoom meeting point of view. All kinds of lectures also to get by conducting in Zoom meetings as a dual mode of, that is also to included to any difficult topics are repeat and repeat again by the Zoom meeting lectures as 2 or 3 times. Dear friends, in this point of view, अशा पद्धतीने Zoom मीटिंगच्या माध्यमातून आपण ठराविक लेक्चर ठराविक युनिट्स आपण पुन्हा एक किंवा दोन वेळेस पुन्हा लेक्चर घेऊन विद्यार्थ्यांना काही अडचणी असतील त्या पुन्हा आपण सॉल्व्ह करून घेतल्यात मित्रांनो. तरी देखील आपल्या ह्या Zoom मीटिंग फॉर्म मध्ये बरेच विद्यार्थ्यांना नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम असल्यामुळे काही विद्यार्थी अजून आपले लेक्चर बघू शकले नाही किंवा Zoom मीटिंगला जॉईन होऊ शकले नसतील. अशा विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी खास करून YouTube मोड मध्ये व्हिडिओ शूटिंग किंवा व्हिडिओ लेक्चर तयार करून मी त्यांच्यासाठी स्पेशल हे व्हिडिओ टाकणार आहे. तरी देखील जे रेग्युलर विद्यार्थी ते पण पुन्हा बघू शकतात आणि ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी अजून आपल्या Zoom मीटिंगला बरेच जॉईन झाले नसतील किंवा ज्यांना शक्य नसेल अकॉर्डिंग टू दी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम, dear student, we also seen this video to continuously or also in every empty time. YouTube ला असं बंधन नाही, तुम्हाला ज्या ठिकाणी नेट असेल जेव्हा नेट मिळेल त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना एक जाहीर होता सूचना आहे की प्रत्येकाने ते व्हिडिओ पूर्ण बघा. कारण बरेच मुलांची अशी कॅपॅसिटी नाहीये. कारण आवर व्हिडिओ, माझा YouTube व्हिडिओ हा 8 तासापुढे जास्तो, कमीत कमी 30 मिनिट्स, रेअर एखादा झाला असेल 25-26 मिनिट, लक्षात रेअर मध्ये आपण क्वचित, कारण मुलांचं 5-10 मिनिटाचा व्हिडिओ बघायची सवय असते. आपले कसं आहे लेक्चर आहे, होल युनिट्स आहे, विच आर कम्प्लिटेड बाय द कम्प्लिटली इन नॉट अ 5-10 मिनिट्स. आपला असाच ऑलरेडी 55 ते घड्याळी 1 तासाचा एक 1 o'clock फॉर युअर डेली रेग्युलर पिरियड, वर्गातला 1 तासाचा पिरियड असतो. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण तरी देखील 30 ते 32 मिनिट्स 8-10 तासाच्या आत आपण व्हिडिओ तयार करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो मित्रांनो. तरी देखील तो व्हिडिओ बरेच मुलं बघत नाही. म्हणून मुलांना विनंती आहे, विनंती करणं चुकीचं आहे, तुमच्या कामाचं आहे, तुमच्या भल्याचं आहे. म्हणून प्रत्येकाने तो व्हिडिओ बघा. नाही टू सबस्क्राईब माय एक्सेल झुलॉजी चॅनेल. अजूनही काही मुलांनी काही व्हिडिओ बघितले नसतील किंवा त्याला लिंक मिळाली नसेल तर माझं वैयक्तिक डॉक्टर R.D. पाटील, हेड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ झुलॉजी, माझे एक्सेल झुलॉजी चॅनेल आहे. या चॅनेलच्या लिंक वरती किंवा आपल्या कॉलेजच्या लायब्ररीने आपल्या लायब्ररीमध्ये एक स्पेसिफिक ऍप तयार केलंय. त्या ऍप मध्ये सर्व सायन्स फॅकल्टीचे टीचर आहेत, त्यांचे फोटोग्राफ दिलेले आहेत. त्या फोटोग्राफवरती तुम्ही सिंगल फिंगर टिप जरी स्टिक केलं तरी देखील माझे जेवढे काही व्हिडिओ असतील युट्यूबचे सर्व व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला बघायला मिळतील ऍज एनी टाइम, एनी आणि हाऊ वे. तुम्हाला असं पर्टिक्युलर असं वेळ नाही, तुम्ही रात्री 12 वाजता बघा, 2 वाजता बघा, 1 वाजता बघा किंवा दिवसा केव्हाही बघा. each and every time my YouTube video lectures will be open and ready for the student to see. तुम्हाला बघण्याकरता केव्हाही तयार आहेत ते 24 तास तुमच्या सेवेसाठी आम्ही पण हजर आहेत. लक्षात, कारण ऑनलाईन टीचिंग करणं मित्रांनो हे सोपं नाहीये. we are manually modes in the class to easily to book chalk and boards but in the consisting the way for the online also prepared by the notes as well as PPT as well as also your different kinds of the teaching aids, that is a computer, laptop as well as Android mobile, and get by the digital camera. Also use the different kinds of the softwares to preparing these notes as well as a video. प्रत्येक व्हिडिओ बनवणं सोपं नाही मित्रांनो. म्हणून तुमच्यासाठी विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो खास करून खरंच तुमच्यासाठी खूप मेहनत घेतली जाते. म्हणून प्रत्येकाने ते व्हिडिओ पूर्ण बघून त्याची काही सफलता करा की जेणेकरून सर्व मुलांना चांगले मार्क मिळतील. आपल्या शिक्षकांनी आपल्यासाठी घेतलेले कष्ट जर तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी व्हिडिओचे प्रिपरेशनचा टाइम बघितला आणि दिवसभर पीपीटी तयार करून रात्री बेरात्री तुमच्यासाठी व्हिडिओ तयार करतोय, तरी सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी बघण्याचा प्रयत्न करा मित्रांनो. असू द्या, हे जनरल सूचना वजा. आपण डिअर फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी स्टार्ट इन झुलॉजी जू 401 जेनेटिक्स युनिट नंबर 3. त्याच्यात युनिट 3 वरती आपण जातोय. त्याचं नाव आहे लिंकेज क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर अँड क्रोमोझोमल मॅपिंग. द नेम ऑफ द युनिट्स ऑफ द 3 in Ju 401 genetics, that is linkage, crossing over and chromosomal mapping. Dear friends, first we know about the what it mean linkage. आपण जर त्या ठिकाणी जर गेलो तर पहिल्यांदा लिंकेज अँड क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर त्याच्यामध्ये जाण्याच्या अगोदर पहिल्यांदा लिंकेज अँड क्रॉसिंग ओव्हरची कन्सेप्ट ऑफ लिंकेज we are mostly used by the dear friends. An organism often has many phenotypic traits in its body. Each phenotypic trait of an organism is determined by at least a pair of genes which resides at specific gene locus of homologous chromosome. Therefore, it can be expected that an organism may has many number of genes for its phenotypic trait. Dear friends, in genetic linkage, concept of linkage, genetic linkage is the tendency of alleles that are located close together on a chromosome to be inherited together during meiosis. Genes whose loci are nearer to each other are less likely to be separated on the different chromatids during chromosomal crossover and are therefore said to be genetically linked. In other words, the nearer two genes are on a chromosome, the lower is the chance of swap occurring between them and the more likely they are to be inherited together. Dear friends, in concept point of view, the linkage, crossing over or concept of linkage, the discovery of genetic linkage, William Bateson and Reginald Punnett completed his study in 1905 that determined the moment of alleles found to the same chromosome. The study used a sweet piece, particularly flower color and pollen shape. They followed the inheritance pattern, that is, for flower color, purple is dominant over red, and for pollen shape, long is dominant over round. A cross was performed using a two breeding purple long and red round. In F1 generation was 100% purple and long, purple or long. Crossing two individuals from the F1 generation resulted in F2 generation with 4 different phenotypes: purple, long purple, purple or long purple, or round red, or long and red, or round. So specific to the alleles that created this combination did not follow the ratio is the 9:3:1 patterns, but supported the idea that these alleles did not assort independently and therefore must be linked. Therefore, this is a schematic represented by these floors of this presentation in the generation view by the schematic this. Dear friends, we know about the linkage when two or more characters of the parents are transmitted to the offspring of a few generations such as F1, F2, F3, etc. without any recombination, they are called as the linked characters and the phenomenon is called as linkage. So it is a division from the Mendelian principle of independent assortment. Mendel's law of independent assortment is applicable to the genes that are situated in separate chromosomes. When genes for different characters are located in the same chromosome, they are tied to one another and are said to be linked. They are inherited together by the offsprings and will not be assorted independently. Thus, the tendency of two or more genes of the same chromosome to remain together in the processes of inheritance is called as a linkage. So, dear friend, so this is briefly the definition of the linkage. So, features of the theory of linkage, Morgan and Cassell formulated the chromosome theory of linkage. It has been the following silent picture. That is the first, genes that show linkage are situated in the same chromosome. Genes are arranged in a linear fashion in the chromosome. And third is the distance between the linked genes is inversely proportional to the strength of the linkage. Linked genes remain in their original combination during course of inheritance. Last, the linked genes show two types of arrangement on the chromosome. If the dominant alleles of two or more pairs of linked genes are present on one chromosome and they receive alleles of all them are the homologous, that is capital A, small ab, capital AB, small ab. So types of the linkage. Dear friends, in types of linkage, T.S. Morgan and his co-workers by their investigation on the Drosophila and other organisms have found two types of linkage, which is complete or perfect linkage and incomplete or partial linkage. That is, first is the complete linkage. So in complete linkage, if two or more characters are inherited together and consistently appear in the two or more generation in their original or parental combination, it is called a complete linkage. These genes do not produce non-parental combination. Genes showing complete linkage are closely located in the same chromosome. Genes for gray body and long wings in male Drosophila show complete linkage. So this is the examples of the complete linkage. Dear friends, the complete linkage T.S. Morgans in 1919 made is a cross between the fly with normal great body and normal long wings, capital BB, small BB, sorry, capital BB, capital BB cross with the fly and mutant back body, with wings, small BB, small BB. So this is a schematic representation by the complete linkage. So in complete linkage, these linked genes do not always stay together because homologous non-sister chromatid may be exchange segment of varying length. In incomplete linkage is exhibited by those genes which produce some percentage of non-parental combinations. Such genes are located distantly on the chromosome. It is due to accidental or occasional breakage of chromosomal segment during crossing over. So this is the two subtypes of the crossing over. That is the complete linkage T1 cross, incomplete linkage only parental gametes formed by the specific way. So next is the complete linkage of two cross to representation by this ratio as the 9:3:1 phenotypic ratio, 1:2:1 complete linkage ratio, that is a specific way. That is linked genes into the not intertotally every time chromosomes exchange homologous genes during meiosis in this schematic representation. That is also the incomplete linkage already explained the first slides. That is a complete or versus incomplete linkages in the Drosophila indicating by the schematic diagram of this. Dear friends, the significance of the linkage of cross linkage and crossing over मध्ये पहिला is linkage does not permit the breeders to bring the desirable characters. Second is the linkage reduces the chance of recombination of genes and thus helps to hold parental characteristics together. It thus helps organism to maintain its parental, racial and other characters are controlled by the normal. Dear friends, uh, we also already explained in the first slides, that is also represented by written together by these genes. Next in this topic, that is unit is the crossing over. We also first known about the concept of the crossing over and inheritance of the linked gene. The crossing linkage is caused by linked genes and it is carried in the same chromosome. If the chromosome remain intact in inheritance or complete linkage, some linked genes do not stay together but often separated by the reciprocal exchange of genes between chromosome of the homologous pair to display incomplete linkage. Dear friends, the incomplete linkage takes place due to the occurrence of new combination or recombination of linked genes. This recombination process is called as a crossing over. This process will be called as a crossing over. Linked genes do not always stay linked. This linkage group can be separated by crossing over during prophase of meiosis. Dear friends, so this is a crossing over concepts too, that is a no crossing over daughter cells are identical to parental cells. We indicating by the specific way to explain the schematic represented by the crossing over. Also, this is a diagram also you explain the proportions are not equal because crossing over does not occur every cell during the meiosis. So this is a examples and a precise diagram by the crossing over in random exchange of DNA between two non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosome results in recombination of genetic materials to get by the maximum 50% recombination to occurring by the crossing over. In the next diagram also prevalence of recombination is dependent on the distance between the linked genes. So this is schematic representation diagram, recombination between homologous chromosome to crossing over indicating. Next factors of ending the crossover. that is in crossing over. Sex, there is a tendency to reduction of crossing over in male mammals. Mutant reduces crossing over. Temperature, high and low temperature variation increase the percentage of crossing over in certain parts of the chromosome. X-ray effects, X-ray eradications increase crossing over near centromere. Age, older age increases the rate of crossing over. These are the factors which are affecting to get by the maintaining effect by the crossing over. Significance of the crossing over is most important. That is produce new combination of the traits through crossing over segments of homologous chromosome to interacted. Crossing over plays very important role in the field of breeding to improve the varieties of the plants and animals. Dear friends, in your theories of crossing over, that is first is contact first theory. According to this theory, the inner two chromatids of the homologous chromosome undergoing crossing over first touch each other and then cross over at the point of contact B. Breakage occur. The broken segments again unite to form new combinations. This is the first theories of the crossing over. That is second is the breakage first theory. According to this theory, the chromatids undergoing crossing over first uh, of all break it into two without any crossing over, and after that the broken segments reunite to form the new combination. Dear friends, this is the two theories as most important for the crossing over. That is the types of the crossing over is specifically to first is single crossing over. In this type of the crossing over, only one chiasma is formed. Chiasma is the point where two homologous non-sister chromatid exchange genetic material during chromosomal crossover in meiosis all along the length of the chromosome pair. Gametes formed by this type of crossing over are called single crossover gametes. That is a singly put formed by you. This is a single crossing orientation. This cross, so this half black white to combine is cut off the black A part and white CD part, AB part, CD part. So this cross 50-50% characters are denoted by the single crossing over. So types of the crossing over is a double crossing over. In this type, two chiasmata are formed along the entire length of the body chromosome, leading to breakage and rejoin of the chromatid at 2 points. The gametes produced by called double cross over gametes. And last third is the multiple crossing over. In this type of the more than two chiasmata are formed, and thus crossing over occurs at more than 2 points on the same chromosome pair. It is a rare phenomenon. These two are the example. This is a double crossover. So this is 50 internal to get by the variation. This is a double crossing over, non-crossover gametes to conducting by this diagram. So this crossing over above this specific way, this is a single, this is a double, and also the multi to get by the conducting the roles by the occupying way. So this is multiple crossing over. All kinds of the diagrams are properly to by the double crossing over, a single crossing over. She also required to by concerting the multiple crossover examples to getting by this diagram. Differences between the linkage and crossing over. Linkage, it is a tendency of the genes on chromosome to remain together and pass as such in next generation. It brings more parental types. Strength of linkage between two genes increases if they are closely placed on chromosome. It helps to maintain a newly improved varieties. So this is the linkage. Next is crossing over. It is the exchange of genes or chromosomal parts to break established linkage and formation of new linkage. It produces recombination. Frequency of crossing over between two genes decreases if they are closely placed. It is the source of variation for producing new varieties. Dear friends, this is the difference between the uh, linkage and crossing over according to your differentiation to properly by this genetic recombination by crossing over. What is the difference between the parental gametes and recombinant gametes are also explained in the particular slides. So this is a mechanism of the crossing over in the specific way. That is the crossing over of the chiasmata formation based on the classical theory. That is A and chiasmata theory B, capital B, in this chemical representation. So this is a mechanism of the crossing over. That is a homologous chromosome, genus chromatids, breakage and crossing over, reunion, exchange of the complete two formed by the homologous chromosome. That is the mechanism of crossing over or recombination. So this crossing over in classical theory is chiasmata type theory discussed above. There was an emphasis on causal relationship between the chiasmata and crossing over. It is however been difficult to explain how exchange of segments or recombination of gene clusters is brought about. There were at least two theories available initially to explain this, but never hypotheses were proposed later. Only these two earlier theories and the more recent hybrid DNA models will be discussed here in brief. Molecular mechanisms of recombination should be considered for the specific way to the determination of the view. That is significance of the crossing over. Already discussed about the linear alignment of the genes, chromosomal maps, recombination, variation. These are four important significance we already discussed in the first slides. So this is the next topic, or last topic in the units, that is the uh, genetic mapping or gene map. Gene mapping क्या gene mapping, genetic or linkage map, cytogenetic map, physical or molecular map. Dear about first we know about what is mean gene mapping. Gene mapping is a assignment of gene to a locus on a chromosome by mapping the relative position of many genes and other markers. It is possible to generate a chromosome map or map of entire genome. Gene maps are of following three types. That is the three types: genetic or linkage map, cytogenetic map, physical or molecular map. So this is the particular chromosome mappings also discussed about in these slides. Each gene is found in pixel position on a particular chromosome. Making a map of their location allows us to identify and study them better. The basis of the linkage mapping is that since crossing over occurs at a random location, the closer two genes are to each other, the less likely it is that of crossover will be occur between them. Thus, the percentage of gametes that had a crossover between two genes is a measure of how far apart those two genes are. So this is specifically as pointed out by the T.S. Morgan and Alfred Sturvant, who produced the first Drosophila gene maps in 1913. Morgan was the founder of Drosophila genetics, and in his honor, a recombination map unit is called uh, centimorgan CM. A map unit of the centimorgan is equal to crossing over between two genes in 1% of the gametes, indicating by the crossing maps. That is chromosomal mapping. The distance between the genes is proportional to the frequency of the recombination events. Recombination frequency is equal to recombinant progeny upon total progeny. 1% recombination equal to 1 map unit. 1 map unit is equal to 1 centimicron. So this is specific units to get by the mapping. Gene map units, 1 map unit centigrade is 1% recombination between the two genes. We also indicating by the specifically as a map units. That is a 3-point mapping. You can add percentage recombination between two genes to find the order of genes pretty well. But the only way to be sure the order to three genes of their point mapping, which consider three genes at once, you look for the double crossover events, and that is a clue to the gene order. Dear friends, in the specific point of view, this three gene mapping level, that is genetic or linkage map, these maps assign genes to linkage groups. Genetic maps are uh, recombinants, meiotic mapping by this chromosome in genes calibrated by the arbitrary units in this way. Dear friends, in a cytogenic map, it is created by the corresponding phenotypes with observable chromosomal rearrangements and deficient. This type of map was low resolution and is applicable to few cases, example mammoths and Drosophila, which displays either natural or artificial indicating reproductive chromosomes. And dear friend, last is the physical or molecular map. That is a three to get by this map. This is a genetic or linkage map, cytogenetic map, and last is a physical or molecular maps. It is created by ordering cloned fragments of genomic DNA and is calibrated in real units such as base pairs, kilobase pairs, megabase pairs, etc. The physical map has the highest resolution and it is ultimate aim of mapping projects. Dear friends, in this way, this is completed to the specific way for the to get as a gene mapping to particular events. Dear friends, in this way, this is a third unit of the genetics, that is we are completed in syllabus point of view, that is linkage crossing over and chromosomal mapping is most important to get by the all kinds of theory. Dear friends, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you.